Tired of Chrome updates disrupting your workflow at the worst possible moments? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to take control and disable those automatic updates on your Mac first. Completely quit Google Chrome. This is crucial. Make sure Chrome is not running in the background either now. We're going to dive into your Mac's terminal. Launch Terminal. You can find it by going to Finder, then Applications, then Utilities, and finally double-clicking on Terminal now. Carefully type the following command: defaults, right Google Keystone check interval 0. This command essentially sets the update check interval to 0, effectively disabling automatic updates. Press Enter next. Type this command for additional security: defaults, right Google Keystone update policy string none. Press Enter again. This completely turns off any Chrome updates. Now, let's go one step further and disable the Google Update Engine. Open System Preferences. Then click on Users and Groups and then click Login Items. Look for anything that mentions Google Update or Keystone. If you find it, select it and click the minus button below to remove it from the login items. To confirm all the changes, launch Chrome. Click on Chrome in the top menu bar and select About Google Chrome. If it doesn't initiate an update check right away and it shows the current version without any progress bars, then you've successfully disabled the automatic updates. Remember, stopping updates can expose you to security vulnerabilities, so make sure to update manually. And that's it. Like and subscribe.